Hey guys, Lux Capital here. So I am voicing over this recording from yesterday. I did not have any my mic turned on or any music playing or anything. I just wasn't feeling it. But so looking back on this is technically yesterday. Today's the 23rd. This is the trade from the 22nd. As we can see, we bullish ran all the way up to a daily bearish order block, it looks like. And I was expecting a decent reaction short, shooting for, I think, the lows of the day. It was pretty far down there. So you can see here I have entered into a short, and yeah, we're just letting that play out. So far, it's just been consolidating since entry. And I got stopped out. I actually probably saw a flash of it. I had a bad feeling, distracted myself, went and watched some YouTube. So I cut that out of the recording, but I didn't like it, and I didn't want to watch my suffering and pain. I already knew it. I should have cut my losses, but I didn't. So anyways, got stopped out there. Price wanted to make another high, dig deeper into that order block, and now we're back. You can see I marked out a market structure shift I'm waiting for this time. The previous one, I didn't. I was too early and got stopped out because of it. So lesson learned, wait for your market structure shifts. But we can see now it's coming down pretty good, and it does end up shifting and body closing. So I've got it all marked out, and I do believe I enter on this position. Yep, there we go. So I got my limit in. Readjust my risk. Wait for entry. There it goes. So now I'm entered. I have, oh gosh, was it a $180 loss, I think? So not much in the grand scheme of things, but I have that to make up for. I don't really trade based off of that. Like, a loss is a loss. I'm not sitting here revenge trading trying to get it back, but I waited for proper entry this time and decided to take it. So I also put in some partials about halfway through. Always good to take partials. I'm a huge advocate. Take some partials, go break even, hope for the rest of them to hit your TP goal. See, I moved mine up a little bit, I think, or was going to. I was super ambitious today, but man, it looked like it really wanted to get down there, and it does melt pretty fast. Takes my partials. Super happy about that. Made up for almost all the losses from that previous trade, so I was feeling really good about it. Looks like it's barely wanting to break that low, and I move my stop to break even. Well, basically break even. But it actually, I think, hit a fair value gap here and did not want to budge. You see it trying a couple times here, trying to bust through it. Normally I handle everything on the 5-minute. That's a really good time frame for me. It really helps see, how do I say this? See things with more confirmation. Like, if it's making that move on the 5-minute, it's already made that move on the 1 minute. You know what I mean? So the 5-minute's been really great, but sometimes I dabble down in the 2 or 3 just to spread things out a little bit, flesh it out, see if I can find something more precise or refine what I'm looking for. But as we can see there, it hit that fair value gap, came back up with my partials, and just broke even. Real tiny loss, because I think I was just above my entry point, tiny little stop. And that was it. So I came out close to break even yesterday and was really happy with that. It's not often you can recover your losses in the same day. So felt really good. That's how yesterday went. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video.